Hello, Pine Clock Picking here, and today we're going to be attempting to pick my nemesis lock, an M1 Master Lock, Excell. This thing gives no feedback whatsoever. The key does work. Mark it back up. That is the bidding of the key, which is not that crazy. And let's get this thing in my vise and see if we can actually get it picked today. Alright, going to be using my Covert Instruments deep hook and my Covert Instruments turner in 40 thousandths bottom of the keyway. Alright, let's give this a shot. Maybe a little click on 1 and 2. Nothing anywhere. Maybe a click on 4. One moment. Let me give my short hook a shot. We're getting some clicks now. Oh, and we're open. Sweet. All right. Yeah, for some reason, it's just all the tension in this lock. This lock sucks. This lock has defeated me so many times and whooped my ass. But anyway, I got it picked, and that'll be today's video. Thanks for watching, everyone. Peace.